Welcome to the ultimate match! Let's learn some football words. Are you ready?
Easy words, 1 to 10. Football, goal, player, team, referee, stadium, pass, kick, captain, trophy.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about this. This is a football. Can you say football? The referee decides. Referee. Let's pass the ball. Trophy. Intermediate words 11 to 20. Goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, coach, corner kick, penalty, whistle, jersey, champion.
Can you name the star who shoots from afar?
Goalkeeper.
What will it be?
Defender.
Tick, tick, tock.
A player who protects their goal.
1, 2, boom. Clear the room, yeah. Can you name the star who shoots from afar? 2 and 1, look what you've done. Tick, tick, tock. Check the clock.
Okay, team, here is the plan. We pass the ball, and then we score. We're ready, coach. Let's do this. Penalty.